Are you dreaming about something? Is this normal?
I haven't had one go on as long as that.
You want to go back with your brothers and sisters? Hey? Yeah. That took a lot of energy, didn't it? Hey? Yeah. There you go. You settle down. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you turn at him and growl. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. It's okay. What are you talking about?
Stuck on her elbow.
What kind of story are you telling? What is she doing like that?
I think she's, yeah.
You want to put her back in there with her brothers and sisters?
Well, she's all cold now.